So yes, let's finish it. Let's go. We will make some. I started some Happy Wheels series. Hope you like it because I love Happy Wheels. Everyone loves Happy Wheels. So yes, I found my main account because I forgot the password, and now I fixed it, and now we can play Clash of Clans on my main account, and I'm really happy about it. Yes, the house is ready. So that was all I think at this video, and see, first we're gonna make some furniture. It's snowing! Yippee! Where's Santa? Let's go out of snow. Let's go higher than the clouds and see if it's snowing. Yes, it is snowing out of the clouds. It is making a mess high over the clouds. I see my house. So I am here, and we will make the rooms now. So the rooms will be right here. No. It will be like right here. It will be big. Bye bye window. I will leave you up. Close it here. My god, what music is this? I hate it. I'll make some better music. So decoration, make the shrimp music. Shrimp, where's shrimp? Shrimp, here is it. So we're gonna make it day again. I love snowing in Minecraft. The next Clash of Clans video will be at inside of 2 days. After the barracks will be finished and my Tesla will be finished, cause I made a Tesla and it will be ready. The Tesla will be ready tomorrow, and the barracks will be ready at yes, the barracks will be ready inside of 2 days at Saturday. The room is ready. Let's place the door right here. So I will make a fireplace, I think. I will make it right here. So right here. No, I'll make it here. There's a big wall. And if I made a fireplace, that means here will be out of bricks Hope the house will not go on fire. Cause we do not want fire. I will close the normal music. I don't like it. That's better. Now we will make some good iron bars. And again. So 1, 2, 3. Here it will be some. I'll close it with bricks right here, and I'll put some what? Some netherrack. No. Isn't this that one? Yes, it is netherrack. We gotta get some flint and steel from right here. And our fireplace is ready. Now we got to get some iron bars again. And the fireplace is ready. Woohoo. Now, fire! So I will close the fire and see you next time.